Is your power outlet dead? It might be a GFCI outlet that's tripped. Here's how to fix it in a few simple steps. First, locate the GFCI outlet. It's the one with the test and reset buttons in the middle. Press the reset button firmly. If you hear a click and the power comes back on, you're all set. If that didn't work, find your home's main electrical panel. Look for a circuit breaker that's in the off or a middle position. Flip it completely off and then back on. Now go back and try pressing the reset button on the outlet again. Still no power? One tripped GFCI can sometimes disable other outlets on the same circuit. Look for other GFCI outlets in your home, especially in kitchens, bathrooms, and garages. Reset each one you find. If you've tried all these steps and the outlet is still not working, it might be time to call a professional electrician. Your safety is the top priority. Hope this helps. For more home repair tips, don't forget to like and subscribe.